Welcome to back my channel Study IT Education. My name is Mukesh and you watching Study IT Education. So in this video I will discuss what is difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. What is the key difference between all these three? So first we can understand what is the basic of the artificial intelligence. So when you enable any thinking power of the machine or any of the application or any of the platform, they can think without human intervention. That is called the artificial intelligence. For example, in the artificial intelligence is a self-driving car or the self-operating application like self-operating app, or if you see the Amazon or lots of more other applications that the some of the chat is automatically. So if you type something, they can automatically reply. So this type of the application, this type of the platform is called the artificial intelligence. So machine learning is the part of the artificial intelligence. So in the machine learning, we have to develop, we have to teach the application that this type of the data you need to read, and you need to tell that this type of the data of the group of the data is there. For example, suppose if you see the see the Gmail account or other Outlook or something other email account. So the email which is related to any selling or the social media, you can see that type of the mail come under the different folder, but the mail which is the important is come under the inbox. So how it possible, how it doing? So basically in the while we creating the algorithm, while developer creating the algorithm, they pass the number of the data set, means million of the data set, to teach the application to teach the software that this type of the data is come, then this is the group, means this is the social media, this is the selling type. If not coming, sometimes you can see the important mail also go into the junk mail or other folder also. So what will happen, the machine will not able to understand that exactly what type of the data is there. For example, suppose if you baby having 3 to 4 years, if you going to school on 3 to 4 week regularly, and teacher teach that this is the apple, this is the guava, this is the grapes. After 1 month, if you give the what is this, then definitely they will told you that this is the apple, this is the guava, and this is the grapes. But if one child B is there, he going to school daily basis, but not interested to learn anything, just playing in outside, or they not understand what is this grapes or guava. So if you give after 1 month or 2 months, they will tell you that this is the fruit, but not the exact name. So this type of the is called the semi-supervised machine learning, and if they definitely they will tell what is the exact the name. This is called the supervised machine learning. So the whole process we using the development, you will be using the different statistics, using the mathematics formula. So this type of the activity, this whole process is called the data science. So data science is basically nothing but the programming language you use, the tool you use to clean the data. In the data science, we need to first clean the unwanted data, like so data is not used for the develop this particular platform, particular application. Then this type of the activity we can remove the unwanted data, and this in the data science language we call terminology as a data cleansing. So entire process while developing the machine learning, while developing the artificial intelligence is called the data science. So hope you understand the what is the basic difference between AI, ML and the data science. So if you have any question, that you can put in the comment box, and if you new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.